In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Miro board. Whether you're collaborating with a team or organizing your personal projects, Miro is a fantastic digital whiteboard platform that makes brainstorming, planning, and visual collaboration so much easier. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your own board and getting started with Miro. The first thing you need to do is head over to Miro.com, simply open up your web browser and type in the URL, then hit enter. Once the Miro homepage loads up, you'll notice a few options. We are going to focus on accessing your account, so you'll want to click on the Login button, which you can easily spot at the top right hand corner of the homepage. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to sign in using either your email address or your Google account. If you're new to Miro, you'll first need to sign up, but for today's purposes, let's assume you already have an account. Enter your credentials in the provided fields. After this, you'll want to click on Continue with Email to proceed with accessing your dashboard. This is your central hub where all your boards are stored and where you can manage your projects efficiently. Once you're in the Miro dashboard, look towards the left-hand menu where you'll find the option that says Boards. Click on it and you'll see any boards you may already have, or none if you're totally new to Miro. Here, you have the opportunity to create something fresh, so go ahead and click the Create New button. A drop-down menu will appear allowing you to click on Board. Now that you've initiated the creation of a new board, it's time to put your personal touch on it by giving it a name. Think about the purpose of your board. Is it for a project kickoff, brainstorming session, or perhaps planning a virtual event? Naming your board appropriately helps you quickly identify it later on among your various other projects. After naming your board, you'll have the option to select a thumbnail image that represents your board. Look for the Change Thumbnail button located just to the left of your board's title. Clicking this will allow you to browse different thumbnail options. Choose something that stands out to you or accurately represents the nature of your board's content. This little visual cue is surprisingly helpful when navigating through multiple boards. Once you've named and customized your thumbnail, congratulations, you've successfully created your very own Miro board. From here you can start adding elements like sticky notes, shapes and text boxes to begin organizing your thoughts and collaborating with others. With Miro's intuitive interface and versatile tools, you'll find that managing your ideas and projects has never been easier. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on creating a Miro board. Happy brainstorming!